Imagine standing at the crossroads of influence where the heart and mind meet in an intoxicating dance. In this arena, persuasion becomes an art form, a seductive interplay that transcends plain logic, diving straight into the emotional core of human experience. To truly win others over, we must first become adept at understanding their inner workings, their desires, fears, and aspirations, much like a painter who can see every color on his palette before creating a masterpiece. It's about harnessing that emotional energy to orchestrate a symphony of connection, resonating deeply with the souls of those we wish to influence. To illustrate, think of influential historical figures such as revolutionaries who ignited flames of change not through mere rational arguments, but through emotional resonance. These visionaries became like captivating storytellers, weaving tales that echoed the hopes and struggles of their audience. As they spoke, listeners felt a sense of belonging, as if they were part of something extraordinary. The ability to tap into that sense of community and shared destiny transformed their messages into irresistible calls to action, leaving logic in the dust while emotions took flight. Now let's peel back the layers and get to the heart of the matter. Using self-interest to guide emotional engagement. Flattery acts as your secret weapon, a magnet drawing individuals closer. When you reflect their desires back to them, it's like a mirror reflecting back an image they long to see. They'll cling to your words, hanging onto every syllable as if it's a lifeline in a sea of indifference. This duality, pain and relief, doubt and reassurance, creates an emotional roller coaster experience that captivates. Just as a master conductor expertly leads an orchestra, those seeking influence must harness this interplay of feelings to craft their persuasive narratives. The final thought rests here. Charm isn't merely a bonus, it's essential. Without it, you risk becoming an echo in a vast chamber of apathy, unable to elicit the passionate response you desire. Just as some figures met their fates in public disdain, the lesson is clear. Engage the hearts of your audience. As we conclude this exploration of emotional persuasion, remember that it's about fostering connections deep within the emotional labyrinth of others. Win their hearts, and you'll find them more likely to follow your lead, paving the way to success with fervor.
At PIZR, you can support a variety of causes such as animal welfare, hunger relief, and more. Wear your values, make a statement, and give back while looking good. Visit PIZRoff.com to shop now.
Like and subscribe for more exciting videos.